All right, so a minute ago we had a look at headers and footers, but we don't currently have any footer links to places like a privacy policy or website terms. Now, Kajabi don't have any templates for you on that as far as the actual verbiage for those policies, but there are plenty of free policy generators out there. So if you've gone and created yourself a privacy policy and you're wondering how best to add it to the Kajabi website, what I would do is come on over to the website pages area. So you're on this website tab in your site. And then what I would do is, especially if you've already applied your branding throughout this area, and we'll look at that separately, but I would just easily come up here to new website page, and we're just going to add a new website page into our website theme. And we're going to just call it privacy policy. And customize. And now chances are the privacy policy is really just going to be pretty much a block of text and nothing else. Okay, so Kajabi gives you like a starting template. I would just delete this second section they've given us. And then inside of this main section, I'd get rid of the image. And I would just add a second text block for the policy. Make it a bit wider. Rid of. Change that back to paragraph. And we're just going to say privacy policy placeholder. And then in this little header here, just put okay, and then wherever it is that you have generated your privacy policy, just copy and paste it into here. And any of these headers and footers are just going to pull through from the other system pages that you've already created on your account. Okay, so you don't have to make any updates here. We're just going to save that and jump out of here. Okay, now obviously a privacy policy is going to be quite a bit longer than that. Back to pages. Okay, so once you've set up the sort of format for the first one, you'll then be able to come over here and just wait for the three little dots to show, and you'll be able to duplicate that and create a website terms. And, you know, if you've got an earnings disclaimer or a cookies policy or anything else, you can duplicate it as many times as you need and put your policy information in. Then once you have got the policies and the links that you would like to be showing in your footer, again, we're going to go back to the navigation area of your account. So we've already set up the main menu. Down here, we've got footer. And I am going to add by page. I'll look down here. I should now have a privacy policy. There it is. I'm going to put it in capitals just so it matches the capitals that we used in the main menu. Okay, so you can add as many links as you need into this footer. There are some links that you might like to not have in the main menu, but you'd rather have them in the footer, like the contact page. But once you have added some links in, if we now go back over to the page that we were working on, just click save, will refresh it for me. See, we've now got privacy policy showing there. Okay, up to you if you do want it in capitals or not. Capitals might be a bit much. Feel free to put it in sentence case if you prefer. But that is how you get those links into your footer. And I personally would just add them into the website theme by using this new website page button at the top on the website tab.